Here I have XIAOMI Redmi K30 Pro, and today I'm going to show you how to clear browsing data on this device. So first of all, you have to open your browser, which we all use. Then you have to tap here, go to the history, then tap clear browsing data. Then you have to select the time range for which you want to delete your history. It could be last hour, last day, last week, last month, or the all time. Then you have to select the data formats which you want to delete. It could be browsing history, cookies and site data, cached images and files, and then you just tap clear data, and after that your history will be cleared. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.